Hello guys, my name is Eduardo Sanchez Somoza and today I'm going to be talking about general information about seisms. So the purpose of this project is to see if people have their information about seismic activity or to see whether if they are ready for another event like this to happen, and the results may amaze you. Me and three other classmates went ahead onto four different locations where we asked four different people 10 questions about their knowledge in the subject, which is seismic activity. We also took pictures with every person we interviewed, and these are the results. So these are the questions we asked. There are 10, like I already said. The first one is, have you ever experienced a season? The second one is, do you know what to do in case of emergency in this specific area? The third is, do you panic? The fourth is, do you know where the signs and emergency exits are located in this place? The fifth is, do you know the help organizations for these situations? Sixth is, do you have contingency plan with your family? The seventh is, in case of an emergency, do you think people would do what the signs tell them to? The eighth is, do you usually support help centers? 9, do you think that we Mexicans are ready for another season? And 10, do you know what all science means? So the first place we went to is the Cholulas Park. It's located in the center of the town. And for the first question, everyone said yes. Here's a graphic where I show you our results. You can see that the questions escalating from 1 to 10, from down to up. These are the pictures we took with the people we interviewed. There were no signs of preventive actions to take. All people agreed that Mexicans are not, we are not prepared to have another season, but we can survive it better than we already have. This is a little croquis I made with paint. The center, it represents the kiosco. The green little squares, they are the paths that you can take to get out of there, and the red zones are where you are in the most dangerous zones. The second place we went to is the La Sagrada Familia Clinic. Here is my other graphic. It's the same, it escalates from 1 to 10. We interviewed 4 people as well, and everyone agreed the same, that we would survive it, but we're definitely not prepared for it. People didn't allow us to take a lot of pictures because of the client customer service, but we only took pictures of the signs and the people we interviewed. This is outside the clinic, and with the 3 doctors that we interviewed, the 4th person didn't want to take a picture with us. This is the schematics of the workplace. The green squares, as I already said, is the emergency exits. The black squares are the walls, and the red zone is where you are in the most risk or danger. The third place we visited was the Regional Museum of Cholula. Here we run into little trouble because the architect and the police officers asked us not to take pictures inside the building. They said that we could take them inside the gift shop, and they asked us to leave our cell phones and all of our recording material in the gift shop, that we could run the tour, but we couldn't record anything in there. We did manage to see a zone that was being in construction, and these are the 4 preventive signs we got to see, and this is 2 pictures of the gift shop. This is a schematics of the gift shop. It's the only thing that they allowed us to put in our work. The last place we visited was Cholula City Hall. This place we didn't really have any situation like in the museum. It was pretty simple. We got in and we asked the questions. It's not a big place, but they did ask me not to put the schematics of the building in my work, just because of security measures. Here are pictures with two other people we interviewed. The other two didn't want to take a picture with me, and these are the preventive signs and the emergency exits they had there. Mm, that's all I'm gonna do for today. Thank you very much, and this was my presentation for method research of the methodology class.